on a quick test drive here. We got 77,000 miles on the odometer. If you see any flickering on the screens and gauges, that's just in camera. That is not in person. This truck sounds phenomenal. The alignment, hands off the wheel, truck's driving nice and straight, no issues there whatsoever. The suspension feels good. Apply the brakes, I don't feel any vibrations in the pedal or any shakes or shimmies in the wheel. Just kind of barely getting on it there, just so you can hear that supercharger a little bit. She drives really nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. This is super cool to see this color. I've always seen the two-tone silver and black, but never in this dark gray in person. It looks really cool. Got the Toyo Proxy ST3s, 275 45 20s. Those look really good. Date code 2024, so they're pretty new. Looking at the wheel, typical flaws here and there, but for the most part that is in great condition. Some really light rash here and there, but it's pretty subtle. You gotta get really, really close to even see that. This is some sort of pinstriping here that is a vinyl, so you can see it's just an overlay. Looks like it goes all the way down. Looking at that fender though, it's in great condition. Got the shorty antenna. Plastics, look at those, look amazing. Here on the A-pillar, nice and clean. A couple little impacts, a few light little scratches. We got some scratches right here as well, but that's a really clean looking mirror. Making our way down the door. See a very light mark right here. It's super, super subtle. Looks good. A couple light markings here. Making our way down this door. A few little scratches there. See some in here as well. I know the color kind of hides it, but you can see them there. Little one here. The rest of that looks good though. You have some gashes in this area. It goes all the way down. That flare. Luckily, it looks like it's just in that flare. Do a repaint on that flare, and this would look a lot better. This graphic looks good, nice and clean. This side looks really nice though. Here on that wheel, once again, super clean. Got the window tint. Clarity on these headlights look really, really nice. You see some little imperfections, little chips. It looks like they painted the hood at some point and they painted over some of those chips. So you're gonna see that kind of peppered throughout. Overall though, they did a great job. Looking at that front, you have some rash down here, a couple little gashes. A couple spots where it wore through the paint. A few little rock chips. But like I said, looking at that front, you're gonna see, when you're getting all the lighting, you're gonna see these little dimples from where it had a rock chip and they just painted over it, but they did a really good job on that. Looks good. Some damage right here on that flare. Looks like some little dimples here as well that got painted over. Looking at that wheel, overall in great condition. A couple of rock impacts. Looking at the door, a few little scratches. Got some little scratches in here that do catch your nail. Got a larger chip here. It's been touched up. Do see some scratches right there. Overall, that wheel looks good. Looking at the paint, you can see where the old graphic used to be. You can feel a little texture on it. Taillight looks good. Couple little scratches here and there. It's not perfect by any means, but still in great condition. Back bumper looks good. You do have some chips and little gashes there. You have a bed mat and the little rack here that you can flip out. Typical little scuffs and scratches. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Love these seats. They look super cool. Really sweet truck. Looking at that panel, that looks good. Here on the buttons, those are all nice and clean. A little bit of wear here, a couple little scratches. The rest, that looks good. All of that is perfect. That plastic is in great condition. Now you're going to have your typical wrinkles and wear on that driver's seat. Little scuffs and scratches. That's still nice and soft though. All of that feels good. It just has the wrinkles, the typical wear. You do have a steering wheel cover on it. I'm not quite sure what's underneath as far as the condition goes. Try to peel that back. Pretty tough. It's on there pretty good. That looks good. Dash nice and clean. From what I can tell on that upper side of the dash, I'm not seeing any cracks. That's looking really good. Really nice. So really the most wear, of course, is just going to be this driver's seat. Everything else looks phenomenal. Here on the front right door panel, upper section, that looks really nice. That's all clean. The LED lights. That's a really good looking door panel. Carpets look good. That trim looks nice. Now you do have typical wrinkles in here, kind of all throughout. A few little scuffs and scratches. A little bit of wear. Upper section looks good. A couple little markings. That side looks nice. Glove box looks good. Airbag cover nice and clean. Upper side of the dash, I'm going to scan through that, but from what I can tell, that looks good. I'm not seeing any cracks or anything that stand out. And then you got the sunroof. Here on the back right door panel, that looks really good. That trim's nice and clean. Once again, typical wrinkles kind of all throughout, but the leather's still super soft, lots of cushion. A few little markings. This looks really nice here though. Little scratch right there. Got the massive console. Here on the back left door panel, that looks good. Nice and clean. Very nice. All of that looks good. Like I said, typical wrinkles, little scuffs. Super soft leather. Upper section looks good. I mean, those are super cool seats. They did a great job on those. Seat backs look good. Going through the engine bay here. That looks good. Just gonna scan through some of this. don't see a date code on that battery.